Hello everyone, in this video I'll walk you through how to fix any missing DLL file errors on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. Let's start with step 1, installing the DirectX Runtime, which is often the root cause behind missing DLLs. First, head over to the official Microsoft DirectX download page. Once you're there, click the download button and save the file to your downloads folder. After the download finishes, double-click the file to start the installer. Now accept the license agreement, make sure to uncheck Install the Bing bar, and then click Next to proceed. Give it a moment, the installation will take a few seconds to complete. Once that's done, let's move on to step 2, repairing system files using command prompt. Click on the Start menu and type CMD into the search bar. Then right-click on command prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Inside the command prompt, type the following command SFC/scanout and press Enter. Let the scan run, it'll check your system files and fix any issues it finds. Once that finishes, go ahead and type this second command, DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Now again, wait for it to complete. After both of these commands complete, restart your PC to apply the repairs. Now for step 3, if the issue still isn't fixed, you can manually download and replace the missing DLL. Open your browser and go to dllfiles.com. Then use the search bar to look for the exact name of the DLL file mentioned in the error. From the results, download the latest version that matches your system. Next, use a tool like WinRAR or 7-zip to extract the DLL file from the archive. Now copy that DLL file to the correct system folder, usually the C Windows System 32, depending on your system type. Once that's done, restart your PC one more time to finalize the changes. So that's it. We've covered 3 different ways to fix missing DL errors in Windows. Try each step in order and one of them should resolve the issue for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.